Hello my friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out these self-adhesive bumper pads. This is a 96 pack and these are 1 inch. These are really handy just around the house. You can put them on all kinds of stuff. Use like on the bottom of chairs or couches. They have the little, usually couches, like mine has a little metal frame, but also has then like rounded areas that that couch sits on top of, and you can put these on there. I have concrete floors, so it's nice to have the metal not scraping on that, but the felt in between the two, so it can slide around easier and also won't scratch up your metal. So it looks like we have 4 sheets of these, and this is 3M. Nice and thick quality here. Felt's gonna hold up pretty good. You can put them on bottoms of chairs and things like that. These are just handy, like all over the house. They just slide right off here. It's pretty sticky. Also, that's gonna hold real good. Let's just go throw it on a couple things so we can show you what the difference is here. But I like the thickness of these. These come in a whole bunch of different colors too. You got black, brown, dark brown, light brown, white, and stuff like that. So let's go see how it looks on the chairs and stuff. Hello friends, so here we are. I have my larger felt cushions here, and I have this little end table I made. You can see I have concrete floors, so if you try to move this around on there, it doesn't, the floor's pretty smooth, but still just wood on there. It doesn't really slide around very good. So I'm going to take these off, and I can hopefully just do this with one hand, but just kind of lift this up, and I'm going to slide it under there. Actually, just going to lift this up a little bit, and then I can slide this under there, right into the middle, and then just set it down. All right. So I'm going to do that for my others as well here. And super easy. This should really help out with slide it under, set it down. All right, let's go over the other ones and get that done. Okay. Just take this off real quick. And then once again, I'm just going to lift this up, slide that under right there. Also, if your thing is a little unlevel, these things will tend to distribute evenly the weight a little bit, so they can smush down a little bit if one side's a little heavier, and kind of level it out. So there we go, slide it under. There we have it. Okay, now let's see how much easier this is to slide around. Should be quite a bit nicer here. Oh yeah, look at that. I can just move it around with one hand. Glides around, no grating sound or anything like that. So these are super handy. Like I said, you can put it on the bottom of your couches, like down here also. Just put a nice little pad there, so it slides around nicely. In fact, I thought I had one on my couches. I'm actually going to do that. Put those under there so it's not metal on metal. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, my friends. You can pretty much put these on any furniture that you have that's in contact with your ground. Whether you have vinyl flooring or linoleum or concrete or whatever. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.